Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 29. A situation when government expenditure is more than expected income is known as A. Balanced budget, B. Budget deficit, C. Budget surplus, D. Capital expenditure, E. Recurrent expenditure. So we will take a look at each of these concepts provided in the options and see which one is best described as when the government expenditure is more than the expected income. So in balanced budget, revenues are equal to expenditure. The revenues are equal to expenditure. Then in a budget deficit, revenues are less than expenditure. That is, in other words, expenditure exceeds revenue. Then for budget surplus, more income than expenditure. So the income or the revenue exceeds expenditure. Now for the concept of capital expenditure, money spent by a business. So capital expenditure refers to the money spent by a business or organization on acquisition of fixed assets. And then recurrent expenditure refers to money spent by a business as well, but for creation or acquisition of non-fixed assets. Or another way to put it is that any money that is not spent on acquiring fixed assets. So recurrent, and examples of this is money spent on wages or salaries. Now from the explanations we have seen, we see that budget deficit refers to when expenditure exceeds revenue, and that is what we see here in the question, when expenditure is more than expected income. So the correct answer is B, budget deficit. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.